you are. He's a hostage. He don't even know he put his he put himself in a hostage situation. So he like, yeah, when you go to Jamaica,
Nah. See, what happened was,
You lying. You said, yo, what you gonna pay to make cargo bread? Because I said it's one. He said it's 2 bills. I said I only got one.
Yeah, they was about to kidnap you.
So why you said I had you on speaker when you said that, nigga?
What you had me on speaker for?
Why you talk about am I gonna pay Jamaicans and cargo bread, nigga?
You should let them know. Listen, yeah, you should let them know. Go, KK, I want you on speaker just in case something happened to me. You could have said that. You ain't even do that.
That was fucked up. That was but they was mad. They was hurt.
Right.
They was hurt. They was hurt. They like, we like KK why he said that.
You did that. You did that shit on purpose.
No, I didn't know you was gonna say no cargo bread shit.
That's on purpose. You know I was gonna say some dumb shit. That's why you kept me on speaker. You know I was gonna say some dumb shit. Like, watch this nigga. You locked me up. You stay locking me up. See, that's why you. See, I know that. See. Fucking lie. I'm out of here. Fuck out of here.
like that, like he took, like his eyes was like this. So listen, he tells the dude, the Jamaican dude, yo, how much is that? The dude said 2 bills, right? The dude said 2 bills, and you know what? This nigga Flip go, what? He said 2 bills, 2 bills, man, 2 bills. Now it was kind of dark, but you could see his Flip eyes. Flip went to his car and the glove compartment and said, yo, I only got one. The dude shined the light in Flip face. All you saw was a ghost. His eyes was like this. He said, man, I said 2 bills. Flip was like, well, hold up. Hold up. I said, yo, Flip, you all right? He said, nah, I'll call you back. What the fuck? Hide in the bush. I thought it was animals. Their eyes lit up like they was animals. Like I thought they was hyenas. He said, that's dudes in the bushes. He got the phone like this. I said, why you there? Like, these dudes could have jumped out and did. He said, nah, I feel safe when I'm by myself. And I said, okay, I understand that type of tactic. Because a lot of times you can move better when you by yourself, especially when you're amongst danger. But it seems more obvious when you're with a group of people, a group of things. Yeah, and then it becomes dangerous. You heard? That's true. I like that tactic that he kind of was civilized about. That was a good tactic. You heard? But other than that, he got to stop that shit.
Bobo.
I don't give a fuck about. I can never be fine, fool.